What is up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create high converting video ads automatically using Antigravity. So let's get started. To create high converting video ads using Antigravity, you'll first of all need to download and install Antigravity to your computer. After doing that, over here, we're going to start by choosing a folder. We would like to store our files. So here, click on open a folder, then choose a folder that we'll have created on our computer. If you haven't created a folder, proceed to create a folder and then choose a folder right here to open it. I've created a folder that I've renamed to video ads, and this is the folder that we're going to store our files. So in our folder, we're going to start by creating a file that we're going to add instructions that Antigravity is going to follow as it generates for us our video ads. So here I'll create a file called gemini.md file. And here's where we're going to add instructions to like Antigravity to follow. So here we are telling Antigravity you're a high performance direct response video ad generator. Your task is to create a short form e-commerce video ad that's between 15 to 45 seconds from a provided product URL and return a preview link to the generated video. The objective will be to produce a scroll stopping, conversions focused video ad optimized for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The input will be a product URL that we're going to provide in the prompt. Then we're telling Antigravity analyze the page to extract the product name, key features, core benefits, target audience, and the pain points solved. For the instructions, we're telling Antigravity generate a complete video ad including a hook, problem, solution, key benefits, and a call to action. The video should be fast-paced and engaging, should use UGC style storytelling, should be optimized for mobile viewing, and feel native to social platforms. Also telling the agent automatically generate the voiceover, on-screen text, and scene visuals. For the music requirements, we're telling the agent the video must include background music. The music must start with a bang, be cheerful, happy, and upbeat in mood. Must use a major key with a fast, energetic tempo. Must feel like a real song, not ambient, drones, or slow pads. It should also loop seamlessly for the full duration of the video. It should also include a visible mute and unmute button with animated EQ bars. The music should auto start on fast user interaction. And lastly, the music should auto start on fast user interaction. The output would like to render the final video and generate a preview link. Only output the video link, no explanations, extra text, or headings. And here we're planning an example link that we like as our output. The constraint, we're telling the agent video length should be between 15 to 45 seconds, should prioritize clarity and conversions. No filler or unnecessary content should be included, and do not output anything except the final link. So these are the instructions that would like the agent to follow as it generates for us our video ad. You can choose to include more instructions depending on the ad that you're creating, but we're going to use these instructions as our example to create a video ad. So now to create the video ad, we're going to prompt Antigravity over here. So we're going to tell Antigravity use the instructions defined in the gemini.md file to create a video ad using this product link. Then here we are grabbing one of the products from an e-commerce website that would like to generate its video ads for. Then we're telling the agent render the final video and provide a preview link only. Output only the video preview link. And here we're going to hit send for Antigravity to begin generating our video ad for us. So here you can see it started by analyzing the gemini.md file, so you can get the instructions that we provided over here. Remember to save the file so Antigravity can be able to access it, can be able to access the instructions. So here you can see it opened the product that would like to generate the video ad for. Just entered the diffuser, so you can see over here checking the controls of this page. So it's reading the page, so you can proceed and generate the video ad for us of this product. So here you can see it analyzed gemini.md file to get the roles, then it analyzed our website, the content, product right here. And then now here it's generating professional product photography that is going to use in the ads that is going to generate for us over here. So let's give it a minute or so for it to complete generating the images for us. So it successfully generated our video ad for us over here and outputted the link to our ad. So here, it generated for us various images that we wanted to use the video ad. Then here, brought out an error. Then it decided to use the images from the site. So here, took 1 or 2 minutes to generate the video ad for us over here. Then I wanted a clickable link. Right here, it gave me this link that I opened in my Chrome browser. So let's preview the ad that it generated for us over here. When I open our ad in our browser, here you can see the ad that it generated for us over here. So here's the actual product that we generated the ad for here. You can see the benefits and the call to action right here. We're also outlining the discount. This is incredible. I've decided to mute the music of the ad. So let's play the ad from beginning with the music. So we generated the ad for the product just by prompting Antigravity over here. So here's a specific product that we wanted to generate is a video ad. And we just previewed the ad. So we can try generating another video ad for a different product of a different company. So we can tell Antigravity use the instructions defined in the Gemini.md file and create a beautiful high converting mobile video ad using this product URL. And here we are mapping the website that would like to generate an ad for one of its products. Focus on luxury, cinematic feel with smooth transitions, typography, and visually appealing scenes. Optimize for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Render the final video and provide a preview link only. Output only the video preview link. And here we're going to hit send. So Antigravity can begin the process of generating the video ad for us over here. So let's give it a minute or two for it to complete generating our high converting video ad. So here you can see it successfully opened our website that would like to generate a video ad for one of its products right here. So let's give it a minute or two for it to collect the data and then proceed to generate a perfect ad for this product. So here you can see it successfully generated our new ad for us over here on this website. So it picked one of the products right here, and then went ahead and generated the ad for us and gave us an output of this link to open the ad. So I'll open this link on a new tab to preview the ad. So now when we open our link in Chrome here, you can see the incredible ad that it generated for us over here. This is incredible. See the images and the call to action over here. It's incredible. Outlining the features of the perfume here, the call to action right here. You can also unmute for sound. I mean, it can do a better job with choosing a good song, but I love this ad. This is incredible. This is the incredible ad that is generated for us over here for these products, these sites, just by prompting Antigravity. So we generated the both ads for the e-commerce stores just by prompting Antigravity over here. This is incredible. We can add a little bit more instructions right here for you to choose the right song to use in the ads, or we can pick a song that is going to use in the ads. But generally, I love the ad that is generated for us. Or here, you just by prompting Antigravity over here. So here are the ads. One more time, that Antigravity generated for us over here. They're really impressive. So we did these all just by telling it to generate this ad for us automatically. So we generated the well-designed, high-converting ads using Antigravity right here. That is how you can generate high-converting video ads automatically using Antigravity. Thank you for watching. Now, if you'd like help setting up Antigravity or generating high-converting ads for your business, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how you can set up Antigravity and generate high-converting ads for your business. But if you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.